channel. This is Javis Vlog, and today all about the new normal in entertainment. Meron din man cancel, meron din pumukuspon, or yung programa tutuloy na. Sa ating vlog 66 and episode 66. Pero bago yan, subscribe na to YouTube channel for the latest update and subscribe na para marami na. Our title for this week, New Normal in Entertainment. Here's your vlog. Okay, so start na of our this vlogs. Dahil new normal in entertainment, sisimulan natin sa Itbulaga. Dahil nabalik na yung Itbulaga na live last Monday, kasi 5 lang. Jose, Wally, Paolo, Alden, and May will be in the studio. Soto naman ay nasa bahay pa rin with Pauline Luna Soto. Then, last time that Power Judgment is back for the new normal, that the first episode is Nora or Norm. Yung talakay po yung kung anong nangyari yung quarantine during the wedding. Sabi, okay naman. And also, wala pa rin audience na yun. Let's wait na lang kung kailan mababalik ang audience. Kahit okay na po ang wala ng virus. Virus na yan. COVID-19, virus, out na. So, but for now, let's support Power Judgmental and Itbulaga on their social media account. Kaya maraming salamat ho. And support Itbulaga on your shows on GMA. The second is may nagbabalik sa ating live shows. We have Showtime and Asap Natito. Showtime will be tomorrow, Saturday, and Asap Natito will be Sunday. Bakit? Ay bababalik na po ng live. Kaya lang, wala pa rin audience na yun. Let's wait na lang kung kailan bababalik ang audience. And Asap Natito, wala pa rin audience na yun. The third one is ang Provinciano and other primetime programs will be back this Monday, June 15. Yung ang Provinciano ay 10 episodes muna yung replay, bagong-bago before the new freshest episodes ay announced. And Soldier's Heart and Love 911 will be airing on Kapamilya Channel. But yung isa ay cancel na sa show. That Making With You is officially canceled after a 50 episodes dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic na yan. So, sana supportan natin yung yung mga shows ng Kapamilya Channel kasi ang ABS-CBN wala pa rin. Chasing the Seas pa rin sa nila. Order lang. And, third one, and the fourth one, yung All Out Sunday ay hindi pa rin magbabalik na live. Sana yun. Stay at home muna tayo sa All Out Sundays. Kailan magbabalik ang All Out Sunday na live? And others, The Voice Teams will be Saturdays and Sundays na. Balik na po ang The Voice Teams. Super excited na again this coming weekend on Kapamilya Channel. Okay? Yan po ang ating new normal in entertainment. Oras na para sa ating about the guidelines in GCQ. Watch this. Yun natin ay from 10 p.m. until 5 p.m. Papayaga po sa malls like appliances stores, gadget stores, at marami pa iba. Sa dining, papayagan na po, pero limited lang po. Pati sa barber shops and salon, papayagan po starting on Sunday, June 7. Papayagan na po yung public transportations like jeeps, bus, and LRT, MRT. And then, papayagan na po na magsiswimming until 1 p.m. from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. At papayagan na po na pwede na mag-films, TV, and movie production. Pero, hindi papayagan yung mga entertainment industry. Sana na sa modified GCQ na. Yan po ang ating vlog for this week. Sana po supportan natin ang mga shows dahil sa new normal. Kaya umulan na. So, maraming salamat po. We hope to see you this vlog. Bye-bye!